Graphing first order inequalities with two variables. From the theory explained in the previous tutorials, it is known that linear inequalities in two variables contain two variables at the first power. Their general form is one of the following shown on screen. Where a and b are coefficients, while c is a constant. All of them derive from the corresponding linear equation with one variable. We have the following shown on screen. An equation which has a linear graph, hence the name linear. The slope of this graph, otherwise known as the gradient, is obtained by the formula. We have the following shown on screen. As we know, another form of writing a linear equation with one variable is to isolate the variable y, and write it in terms of the other variable x in the form. We have the following shown on screen. Where m here represents the gradient k, while n is obtained by the formula, we have the following shown on screen. It is better to have the linear inequalities written based on the second form of the corresponding linear equation y equals mx plus n, as this form allows us to better locate the position of the solution set for that inequality. In this way, we obtain the following for possible linear inequalities with two variables. We have the following shown on screen. Thus, if we have the first linear inequality y mx plus n, the solution set includes all values, the zone, the graph without the graph line, while in the second inequality y smaller than mx plus n, the solution set includes all values, the zone, the graph without the graph line. On the other hand, the solution set of the third inequality y greater than or equal to mx plus n includes all values before the graph as well as those on the graph line, while the solution set of the fourth inequality y smaller than or equal to mx plus n includes all values below the graph including those of the graph itself. Let's consider an example to clarify this point. Example: find graphically the solution set of the linear inequality a, 3x minus y plus 2 greater than 0. b, minus 4x plus 2y greater than or equal to 5. Solution. A. First, let's express the inequality in the form y. 2, mx, plus n, for an easier solution. We have the following as shown on screen. Reading the last inequality from right to left yields, we have the following shown on screen. In this way, we can identify the solution set that consists of the part under the graph of the line y equals 3x plus 2 without including the line itself. We have the following shown on screen. B. Again, let's write the inequality in the form y mx plus n to have a better idea of the solution set. We have the following as shown on screen. In this way, we can identify the solution set, which consists of the part shown, the graph of the line y equals x plus 5 over 2 including also the line itself, as shown in the figure. We have the following as shown on screen. That is all for lesson 10.3.2. To continue this tutorial, please watch 10.3.3, the standard form of a linear inequality from a given graph. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.